If you've been paying your mortgage for a couple of years, you may have built home equity, which is the difference between the current value of your home and what you owe on the mortgage. This equity can be accessed and used in various ways. For instance, if you've lived in your home for many years and need a bigger one, you can use the accumulated equity to purchase a new home. By selling your current home and making a significant down payment on the new one, your mortgage will be smaller, resulting in lower monthly payments. Alternatively, you can use your home equity to finance home improvements, such as upgrading your home, by reinvesting the cash into the property. Additionally, home equity can be used to consolidate debt, particularly if you have credit card balances with high interest rates. You can use a line of credit backed by your equity or a home equity loan to pay off these balances. Overall, harnessing your home's equity can be a valuable financial tool, providing you with options to improve your living situation, reduce debt, and manage your expenses more effectively.